I'm doing something sketchy here, but this is what happens when you don't have a circular saw to cut plywood. Use your undercut saw. Woo! You gotta be crazy to run one of these.